Tired of Jira clutter from unused fields slowing you down? Learn how to delete them in under 5 minutes. We'll start by opening Jira settings, then navigate to field management, and finally delete the field you want. All right, let's jump into it. The first thing you need to do is head over to your Jira account and log in. I've done this process on countless projects, and honestly, it's one of the most satisfying cleanup tasks you can do. You'll see why in a moment. So, once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon. Go ahead and click that. This is your gateway to all the behind-the-scenes settings that actually make Jira work the way you want it to. And here's the thing. Most people never dig into this menu, which is exactly how projects end up with a ton of unnecessary fields in the first place. From that drop-down menu that appears, click on Work Items. Now, this might look a little different depending on whether you're on the new or old Jira interface, but the path is the same. I've tested this on both versions, and it works exactly the same way. Now, on the left side panel of this new screen, you're going to see a list of options. Look for the one that says Fields and click it. This is where the magic happens. This is the central command center for every single field across your entire project. And now for the good part. Here you'll see a list of all your fields. Take a moment to scroll through and find the one you want to delete. This is where you really see the clutter. All those fields that somebody added years ago for a project that doesn't even exist anymore. In my experience, this is the step where most people get a little overwhelmed. Don't be. Just focus on the field you know you want to get rid of. Once you've located it, look to the right side of that field. You'll see a 3 dots icon. Click that. This menu gives you a few options, but we're here for one thing only. From the menu that appears, select Delete. Now, I want to pause here for a second because this is important. Jira will ask you to confirm this action. A confirmation dialog pops up, and it says Delete Field. Click that button. And just like that, it's gone. Now, here's a tip I've learned from doing this dozens of times. If you're deleting a field that's been used on existing issues, Jira will warn you about data loss. Pay attention to that warning. If you need that historical data, consider archiving the field instead of deleting it. But if you're sure, go ahead and click that confirmation. And that's it. You've just cleaned up your Jira project in less than 5 minutes. No more scrolling past fields that don't matter. No more confusing your team with irrelevant drop-down menus. You went from a cluttered mess to a streamlined, focused workspace. Give it a try on your project, and I promise you'll wonder why you didn't do this sooner.